Feeding time. Hello. Let's go and feed you. I love you. Hi, Mommy. I have to feed them, Mommy. Give me a sec. Hello, hello. Feeding time. I love you. Say bye. Feeding time. I fed them. I am an expert in these things. What are you? Look at the bags. These sacks are full of food. Yummy, yummy food. Hello, double trouble. Cockroaches. Little tiny crickets. My babies. Acrobatic. Yalla, we have to put you back in the. Put you back. Put you back with Mommy and Daddy. I love you. Puppies and cookies. Oh my God! I picked him up and I see this one as in the middle. This culprit. Oh my God! I think I should leave him with Mom.
It's so tiny.
Are you serious?
It's so tiny compared
We have three. I'll put that one with Mom still. See the egg yolk on his bum. I'll put. Okay. Let's give him to his mom. She's very nervous. That's why hers. And I'll give you the too big. Oh my God! Come. Well done. 3 babies. I saw the eggshell. I'm like, no way. We don't have a 3. Oh, blessing. Look, he just came. That's new. Yeah.
I'll name it.
Put him back. What do we have here? Easy. Can I see? See the other one? Oh no. So which one is the big? Which one the middle?
Puppies and cookies.
Banana.
Which one puppies? Oh, that's puppies. That's cookies. So middle kid syndrome?
This is cookies. This is cookies.
Maybe we should name them Animaniacs. Sadly, we didn't. Yaka Waka and Dot.
You'll never know.
Yeah. Well done. We have a new life. No way. You did so good, Ma.